Alright guys, welcome back. I got another short video for you guys today. I got a 2013 Cadillac SRX. We're going to do the oil light reset as well, and this is very simple. So what you want to do is first start off with your ignition switch off, and what you're going to do is you're going to press it over here to the right and hold it until all the lights in the dashboard come out. So you're going to wait. Once they come out, there it is. Now you're going to press the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 times. And then you're gonna turn off the ignition, and that should do it. We're gonna do it one more time. You press the button, wait till the lights in the dashboard come on, and then you press 3 times the accelerator, 1, 2, and 3, and that takes care of the reset. And there it is. Hopefully this helps. If it did, don't forget to follow and like the video for more, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.